Upon divorce, a court might order one spouse to make periodic payments to the other as financial support. Such payments are known as alimony or spousal maintenance. In Zaleski versus Zaleski, we explore the different types of alimony and their purposes. During their 16-year marriage, Carolyn and Stephen Zaleski enjoyed a relatively high standard of living. For most of the marriage, both of them worked, Stephen as a real estate executive and Carolyn as a pharmaceutical sales representative. Stephen eventually earned a base salary of $400,000 a year plus substantial bonuses. And before losing her job in 2007, Carolyn earned a base salary of approximately $130,000 a year plus an annual bonus. In 2010, Carolyn filed for divorce. Although she intended to return to work, she sought, among other things, an award of general term alimony, which could have required Stephen to make periodic payments to Carolyn for up to 13 years. Instead, when granting the divorce, the trial court awarded Carolyn rehabilitative alimony with a presumptive 5-year duration. Carolyn appealed to the Massachusetts Supreme Judicial Court.